We are the first one now in Cincinnati, in all of Cincinnati, as being certified seed oil free. It's our commitment to the menu, to our food philosophy. Culturally, in Tano Bistro, we strive to make things from scratch, change menus seasonally, flavor-wise, but our commitment to quality and not just saying it, but doing it. I think this is just the evolution of being that much more committed to that. I mean, I buy great ingredients as it was. I was just so shocked at how much of it was just permeated with seed oil. It was amazing to me. It's amazing when I make my own mayonnaise now, and I make my own French fries, and I make my own ABC, tallow. The flavors and the freshness of the food it's just amazingly different. We have done such a bad job in trying to make big food cheap, and the consumer is starting to wake up to the fact that there is an alternative, and we hope to be leading the way here in Cincinnati to make that presence known. I buy a lot of my bread from 16 Bricks, and none of it has seed oil in it. So getting back to the basics, eliminating those oils and bringing in the good oils, that was the easy part. The hard part was because everything has canola oil in it. It's amazing. Just making the conscious, simple changes and using the good ingredients makes all the difference in the world.